Now our topic is reverberation. Reverberation is simple phenomenon when sound is created because of so many reflections. We hear that sound again and again. So that so much echoes we can hear it by after timings. So because of so much reflections again and again, we can hear this reverberation. So number of echoes when heard by the person, that phenomenon is known as reverberation. This phenomenon happens in bigger halls or auditoriums, because auditoriums have completely covered rooms. So that's why whenever any sound created, there are multiple reflections, and because of these reflections we can hear reverberations. So we have to reduce reverberations in auditorium hall or multiplexes. So to reduce that, on the wall there are mini tiny pores, right? That pores absorb this kind of reverberation and they cannot let reflect that sounds. Second things, their seats, auditorium seats are made up like that it can absorb that sound. So in auditorium, when all the public, all the peoples are filled with whole auditorium, no reverberation we can hear, right? So that is our topic, reverberation.